Did you know that you can place multiple different images into InDesign just using one Photoshop file? This is done by importing specific layers from one document. Want to learn how? Then check out this pro tip. So here I am in Photoshop, and here I have a simple Photoshop document with multiple layers. Into InDesign, with the document open, press Command+D on Mac or Control+D on PC, and navigate to a PSD file with multiple layers. Once you have navigated to your file, before clicking open, be sure you have the Show Import options checked. This is really important. When you click open, before the image drops into your document, you will see the Layers tab. From here, you can toggle on and off the layers to choose a specific layer. In this instance, I'll go with the Clouds layer. Click OK, and that will appear in my document. With one image placed in a document, press Command+D on Mac or Control+D on PC, navigate back to the same PSD file. With the Show Import options checked, click OK, and here you can choose another layer. This time I'll choose Balloon 2 and make sure the Clouds layer is unselected. Click OK and drag to place down the image. So now I have two images in my document from one Photoshop file. Here I can keep placing images and use the very same document to create a simple composition from the same Photoshop document. In InDesign, you can have multiple image frames with the same image asset, but they look different because we have activated a different layer in each. Nice. So remember, using layer options, you can import multiple layers from one document into InDesign. This is also true with Illustrator files. If you use an Illustrator document with multiple artboards, you can choose which artboard you want to bring in. Easy. So that's how you can import multiple images from one Photoshop document. For more pro InDesign tips and tricks, check out the channel and be sure to like and subscribe for more. Until next time, unleash your creativity, and I'll see you in the next one.